dawn in La Paz. It's time for the Death Road. Most of the Death Road tours begin in La Paz and take you up by bus to an altitude of 4,700 meters here at Laguna Estrellani, also known as La Cumbria or the summit. This might even be the start point for the Huayna Potosi treks. I believe it's just up there. And as you can see, we're now all suited and booted, ready to start descending on the Death Road.
Alrighty friend, so...
The first part of the journey takes you down the main road, which is paved but does have trucks flying past you, and gives you a chance to get used to the bike and handling as you descend down to the turnoff for the old Death Road. I did not have a GoPro and was unwilling to video myself with one hand, for safety reasons of course, so these two little videos from the tour guides are all I have of that part of the journey. But there are frequent rest breaks all the way down which give you a chance to get your breath back and receive more instructions from the guides as you make your way down.
As you can watch, it is prohibited bicycles through the tunnel. What happened? The earliest 90s.
You can do some running commentary too, if you want.
There it is. This is the Death Road. Yeah, wish me luck. First built in the 1930s, partly by Paraguayan prisoners of war, the Death Road, also known as the Yungas Road, was considered the most dangerous road in the world up until 2006 when it was replaced by the National Route 3, which we just turned off from. However, the road is still open for those willing to use it, such as local villagers, but it is now most famous for its mountain biking tours, which we are now on.
Watch out. It's okay. Yeah, bicycle on the left side. Alrighty.
I think the real peak Death Road begins around now. As you can see, there are more stops on the Death Road to receive more instructions and for the guys to take lots of photos of you hanging off the edge of the road. I think we're about halfway down. Certainly done some of the hardest bits just then. But yeah, there's frequent breaks to take photos and get your wits together again. Beautiful scenery all the way down.
Alright, this is the place that you have to go at the middle or at the right. That's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
So we're down the bottom end of the Ruta de la Muerte, as they call it. Come all the way down to 1,500 meters. Definitely feel the difference with the oxygen. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. I think it looks scarier on video than when you're actually doing it. As long as you feel confident on the bike. And yeah, I'm just coming towards the town of, was it Caricioca? I forget the name. It's right down the other end of the Andes, the north side of the Andes now. Pretty amazing. You can do that on a bicycle from where we started. Death Road descends all the way down to 1,200 meters altitude at the town of Yolosa. So I just finished, come to this little jungle retreat here, down at 1,200 meters. We started at 4,700 approximately, so we've gone down by bicycle 3,500 meters, which is a long way to go. You can literally see all these different ecological zones passing before your eyes. I mean, this morning We were all freezing cold, there was like ice on the side of the road, and now we're here, all by bicycle. So yeah, next time you're in La Paz, make sure you check out Death Road.